Hello everybody, I am Wang Zixi. I want to introduce the basic principle of the battery. Battery is an energy conversion and storage devices. It's mainly through a chemical reaction, and then the chemical energy can be converted into electrical energy. Battery is a chemical power which consists of two different components of the electrochemically active electrons composed of positive and negative electrons. Both electrons are immersed in the electrolyte, providing medium conduction. When connected to external devices by a wire, the negative electron of the battery will absorb the electrons into the negative electron of the electronic product, and then brought back to the positive of the battery from positive electron of the electronic products. So it can produce a current to supply electricity for electronic products.
Hello everyone, my name is Chen Junan. Now I want to introduce the lead-acid battery. Lead-acid batteries are composed of lead dioxide, lead, and sulfuric acid. Lead-acid batteries voltage is 2 volt, and its principle of operation is as follows. When discharged, lead will emit 2 electrons and react with sulfuric acid to become sulfate, lead sulfate. Lead dioxide will receive the 2 electrons and react with sulfuric acid to become lead sulfate and water. When charged, lead sulfate and will react with water to become lead dioxide, lead, and sulfuric acid. In addition, you need to positive, then positive, and negative to negative when charging. Otherwise, you will cause battery damage. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Huang Yanchen. Today, I want to talk lithium battery. Lithium battery has 2 kinds. One is disposable battery, and the other is rechargeable battery. And I want to talk one-time battery first. The battery is the lithium metal in the plus, and the iodine is in the minus, and the volt is 3, and the volt is come from the oxygen and reverse effect. And because it is very peace, so it can use cell phone and camera and laptop or the hurt controller. Yes. And rechargeable lithium battery is by the lithium in the battery. The volt is 3.3 or 3.6, and in the plus is the lithium metals, and the minus is the carbon. And the old effect is the electric between the lithiums and lithium, and it is very useful on cell phones and other needs the very stable volt. And it is special because it doesn't have memory effect. The memory effect is that if the capacity is lower than lower because of the usage, and my presentation is over.
In contrast to primary and secondary batteries, a fuel cell, also called a flow battery, is different from those kinds because its energies come from fuel providing. Fuel cell cannot be run out and do not need charge. The most common fuel cell is hydrogen fuel cell. As the name suggests, its fuel is hydrogen. Then let me show you how does it work. Two hydrogen molecules inputted to the left side adsorb onto the platinum-based catalyst anode, then lose 4 electrons, which will move through the external circuits and to the cathode. After throwing 4 electrons, hydrogen molecules become hydrogen ions, which exactly are protons. Protons migrate through the electrolytes, arrive at the cathode. On the other hand, one oxygen molecule also adsorbs onto the cathode. That gets 4 electrons and 4 protons, generates 1 hydrogen oxide molecule. In general speaking, water. Because its product is water, it is very environmental friendly.